Welcome to our channel. Today we how to order OTC items with Medicare card, online guide step by step clearly. To order OTC items using your Medicare card, start by ensuring you have your Medicare information ready. Visit the official Medicare website or the website of your specific healthcare provider. Look for the section related to over-the-counter benefits or OTC items. Log into your account if you have one, or select the option for new users to create an account. Provide the necessary personal information to set up your account, including your Medicare details. Once logged in, navigate to the OTC ordering section. Browse through the available products. You may filter the items by category or use the search function to find specific products. Select the items you wish to order by clicking on them. Check the quantity you need and add them to your cart. Once you have finished selecting your items, review your cart to ensure everything is correct. Proceed to the checkout section. Enter your shipping information, if required. Select your payment method, remembering that OTC items typically do not require a copay when using your Medicare card. Confirm your order and review the summary once more to ensure all details are accurate. Submit your order. You will receive a confirmation email or notification once the order is processed. Keep this confirmation for your records, as it may be useful for any future inquiries or follow-ups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.